Behind you.
Uh-oh.
Tilt it.
Excuse me.
Why are you the way you are?
Clear my throat, dude.
What the hell is going on, bro?
Alright, coming from the dude that hits the pterodactyl screech on the way down.